missing someone. But without you. Good morning. I've literally just opened my eyes. It's literally like 8 AM on Saturday morning. Why is my face all patchy? But today I've decided I'm gonna go ginger. So I thought I'd document it and I think I'm just gonna vlog like what I got up to this weekend. Like it's nothing overly exciting. I need to leave in like 20 minutes, so I better go get dressed and eat something. Hi, I completely forgot to film anything earlier, but here's my hair. I know, like, I looked in the mirror and nearly mistook myself for Rose Dawson from Titanic. My friend Natalie said also I look like Daphne from Scooby-Doo, so I do really like it. However, I look so pale, and this is me with makeup on, so you don't even want to know what I look like without. But I'm going to tan tomorrow and hopefully it'll look a lot better. But yeah, at the minute I'm just in the middle of waxing my legs. You don't need to see that, but I will just sit down and update y'all on what is going on, because I have a lot of exciting things going on at the minute, so. Right, yeah, so had a bit of a crisis this time last week. I have completely lost my Vivienne Westwood purse that Carrot got me for my birthday last year. I went down to Tesco to get some SD cards for my dad and used his business card to pay for it. Like his business, like his work debit card. And put the purse back in my bag, and since that I just haven't seen it since. Lost my licence, my bank card, £50 birthday money, and like such a nice purse, so I'm really raging with that. Definitely left Tesco with it. I asked the security to check CCTV, and apparently I definitely put it back in. So yeah, that was how my week went last week, but I'm having such a good week this week. I worked Monday to Friday, which was exhausting, but now I'm off for a week, and today I paid a deposit for a new puppy. It's a wee boy and it's a wee grey long-haired chihuahua, and we get him on the 3rd of December, and we're just trying to come up with names at the minute. So ones that we like are Forest, Aussie from the koala in Animal Crossing, because I just absolutely love that name. There's quite a few names, but yeah, I am so buzzing to get him. We will have him in time for Christmas, and I'm just so excited about that. Also on Monday I'm flying to Scotland, and I'm going to be staying in Edinburgh for 2 nights. So yeah, that's why I'm like waxing my legs and stuff. I'm trying out the new Be Perfect tan tomorrow, so hopefully I'll be a whole new me. I ordered this kit off. Oh, don't mind how pale I am. I actually look like a ghost, but it's Halloween, so. I got this brow lamination kit off Amazon. My friend from work recommended it to me, so I'm going to try that tomorrow probably, and I need to tint my brows as well because they're just an absolute mess. I haven't had them done since my birthday, so yeah. Don't mind those fireworks. It's Halloween night, so everyone seems to be letting off fireworks. Oh my god, my legs are actually like woolly mammoths. They're so hairy. It's been like a full month since I've actually touched them, so it's a process. But yeah, I'm not really doing much. I just thought like if I'm doing anything exciting I would vlog it this week. Like I'm gonna have to vlog Edinburgh on my phone because this is a big camera and my dad shares it with me, and I wouldn't trust myself to bring it with me. But I will try my best to do it on my phone where I can, and the rest of the week then I don't really know. Like I'm off until Sunday and I get back home on Wednesday, so I don't know if I'll be doing anything overly exciting. I really need to get back to the gym, but will that happen? No. I've got better things to be spending my money on, like food. Another thing that's been going on at the minute is I'm looking for a new car. I'm looking for a Audi A1, a black one. I went to view one the other day and it was an older car than the one I'm currently in, and I just decided I was going to leave it because there's no point taking a step back. So I'm looking for a 2015 one with parking sensors because I'm absolutely useless at parking. So I'm hoping the right one will come up sometime soon, and I'm going to start financing it because apparently it's really good to start building up a credit score. So yeah, I'm hoping that'll happen sometime soon. Don't know if it'll happen before Christmas, like it might be after, but yeah, that's something else I'm looking forward to. I think that's everything that I need to update you all on at the minute. Not much is going on in my life. I've just been working all the time. I keep forgetting that the lens is there and the viewfinder's there. But yeah, I will probably check back in tomorrow. I'm just sitting waxing my legs at the minute, so see you then. XOXO Annie.
Did you get me doing the 1 minute?
Yeah. Welcome to my cocktail making class. I'm gonna make my own porn star martini. Just you say where you are. Got my little shaker. I'm just gonna completely wing the, what do you even call it? Portions?
7.
No.
Measurements.
So that actually smells really nice. Smell that?
Ooh.
Smells great. Right, how much do you think I should put in?
25 ml.
Is that too much?
No.
Okay, maybe a little bit. No, I've got the soda going as
That's
well.
a wee glass, so.
And then we've got our Passoa and...
Is that what you've got?
Yeah, because I didn't want to bring the whole bottle in case it was too heavy. Right, just gonna put a little bit in there too.
More than that, that was a
No.
drizzle.
I don't want to use it all though, right?
That would just be
And
pure vodka at this
then-
point.
Yeah, it's gonna be pure vodka, and then we've got mango and passion fruit juice.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Should ask for some ice.
And we've got the old pomegranate.
It's not pomegranate, it's passion fruit. It's probably gonna be disgusting, but I will.
It won't be.
Right, and then I'm gonna put the lid on, and that is gonna go everywhere. Shake, 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 shake. Right.
You should be
Do you
down.
think that's enough? Do you think that's enough shaking?
Probably. Whoa.
Let's see what this looks like. That's not the right colour. I think I've made too much. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. Taste test.
Look shit.
It does look shit. Taste test. Probably gonna taste like shit as well.
Yeah.
That's so strong.
Is it?
It is nice though, but I wish it was colder. Think you could order ice in room service?
No.
Probably could.
No, no.
Do you want to do a taste test?
No.
Yeah.
Go on.
It's actually nice. It's very strong.
That's nice, but
It's nice though.
it's strong.
Oh,
Yeah, so decent.
they look really good. We don't need it anymore.
Really pink. Oh.
This is just injustice. I'm in Nando's and Alana and Tarek got their food about 20 minutes ago and I'm still waiting. This is not fair.